management system. So let's start the video. In order to start payroll system, you have to create master files according to this. So let's start the video. In order to start payroll system, hello everyone, welcome back to another video of atACC. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use payroll management system. So let's start the video. In order to start payroll system, you have to create master files according to this. So first one is department. I have to create departments here. Just input the name and click save. Simple as that. Just like this, it's created some departments here. Sales department. You just input the name and you can save it. So you have to create at least one. Next one is designation. The same concept, you have to input the name and save it. Just like this. I just created sales head, inventory manager, like that. You can just input the name. And third one is category. You can input category like, in my case I just created level 1, or you can create any name of category you need. So you have to input at least one. Now next one is work shift. You have to input work shifts, whether it is working hours or break or overtime. You can create any. If you need to continue with working hours, you can simply create working hours, just like name like that. In my case I just created working hours just like this. Morning shift, selected work hours, and then input start date and end date like that. It's created afternoon session 2. Overtime, of course, we have to create overtime as work shift from a start time and end time. According to this, we will make the transaction and the work hours and the rate per hour like that. So this is the shift we need to create. The next one is holiday. You can create holiday masters like this. For example, if you need to assign a single day of every weekend as holiday, for example Sunday is off, so you can select it. Every Sunday is off in a single calendar, so you can input the name, for example Sunday here, and you can choose holiday, and you can select the same date, start date and end date, a single day, which means Sunday here. In my calendar I selected 19th, and 2 end date also 19th, and I can click repeat weekly in order to repeat that same day in every week, which means it is holiday. So you can assign to branch or department or all of them. You can save it, or you can particularly select a tick box here for any particular department heads. So like this you can click. Okay, in my case I click all and I can save it. So this is how you can save a holiday. The same concept goes for vacation, but vacation differ. It's a number of days, for example months, year, like that. Okay, you can input vacation name here. You can start it here. For example, you can select a 1 month vacation for the department. You can choose a 1 month or 2 month or 1 year, like that. You can assign to any of them. That's how it works for vacation. So you have to select vacation as holiday type. That's it. The next one, it's salary period. You have to select salary period. This is mandatory field here. You have to create each month. If it is monthly payment, you have to create each month of a year separately. For example, in my example I just created June. This is June. It's my current month I'm going through. So June. If you need to create a July, just like this, you can create July. You can select your year. You can select the date. You can pick from date and to date of July, like this. Number of working days. Just input the number of working days. That's all. Actually, number of working days is not the field to calculate. It always select the start date and end date not to calculate. So here you can input, for example 28, no problem. You can input remarks. So like that you have to create each month, then only we can assign a salary processing and salary payment along for that particular month, because we are choosing monthly in my example. So this is how you can use salary period. Moving on to the next one, which is employee creation. Of course this is employee creation window. Here you can create a new employee from here, or you can simply select your login user. If you need to select your login user, you simply select search button here. You can search and you can select any of yours. Okay, I just already have a login